This magnetic backgammon game is so easy to travel with. This is the travel edition one. It comes in this really nice case. Literally just everything folds up nice and neat. You can put this in a carry-on if you're traveling. You can bring it in the car. Now let me show you what it looks like on the inside. All right, here is what it looks like opened. So everything has a nice little spot, which is super convenient. It's obviously the game board. 2 sets of the plain chips in different colors, and these are magnetic. So they stick nicely to each other and then nicely to the board. Also comes with 2 pairs of dice. So again, color coded, and then the cube, and then also the dice shakers. So everything fits in here so nicely. It also has the instructions if you've never played backgammon before. It's all right here, walks you through literally everything, which is super nice. This is a great game, especially if it's just you and one other person. It's a 2-player game. I feel like there's not a ton of 2-player games that don't get boring quick, and this one is such a good one. And then it even gives you like examples of how to set up the game, hitting and entering, and how to win the game, different things like that. So this is super awesome. This would also be a great gift if you know a traveler in your life or just somebody that enjoys different games. Even if you're not traveling, this is what we use at home for our game board for backgammon anyway, because it's so nice and convenient as well. So we love it. The brand actually sent it to us to test out, and we love adding games to our game rotation, and this one is such good quality.